This is Alan Weaver. I'm here to talk about doing a mail merge in Word 2007. What you need to do first is to create the names and addresses. I'm doing a very abbreviated version. This was done in a table. Note that we have a row at the top, name, last name, next, address, city, state, zip. The next is for and family. What you have to do now is open up a new document. We've got this blank sheet here. And what you do here, we go into the Mailings tab, and what you want to do is says Start Mail Merge. Click on that. Now go to the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard. When you're on this step here, it works exactly as it does in 2003. I'm doing labels. We follow the steps here. We go to the next step. We click, go to the next step here. And here, we want to choose the type of labels we want. We click on Label Options. And the most popular one is 5160, which gives you a total of 30 labels to the sheet, the Avery. I do recommend the Avery labels. They work the best. The no-name brands will not peel off very well, and you'll end up spending double. I say okay. You get this grid showing here. Next thing we want to do is select the recipients. I'm going to close out the file that I was showing before. Select recipients, browse. We have to hunt for this. We go into my documents, and then I go into my folder, and I go into my Christmas folder because I'm doing these here, and then I'm going to go into Christmas 2009. And what it shows here are all the people here. I could uncheck those I don't want to send something to. It shows everything here. We can edit, do other things with this table that we created. We can say OK. What we have to do now, we've got to go to the next step to arrange the labels. What you're going to do here, since we create our own field names, we click on More Items. So what we do, it's going to go in here. We click on Name. We double click on it. Close this out. You have a space. This is the first name. Go to the space, More Items, last name, close, space, More Items, the next, because I might have had and family, close, go to the next line, press the Enter key, go into More Items, add the address, close, Enter, More Items, the city. And since it usually appears as a city, comma, space, state, space, zip, we've got to punctuate this a little bit. Type in the comma, then the space, More Items, state, close, More Items, close. Next thing, very important. You can pause this tape while it's going along. Click on Update All Labels. If you don't do that, you're in trouble. It will not put them all in here. We go to Update All Labels, and it shows all this information here. We go to the next step, preview your labels. Takes a moment, has all the names showing in here. We could scroll through this to see if there's any problems here. We could see that the spacing is a little bit off in this thing here. What I could do at this point is select all the text, Control A, go to the Home tab, go into the vertical spacing, make it single spaced, and also get rid of the space, remove the space before the paragraph, tightens it up. The default spacing in Word 2007 is 1.15, puts a space in between the paragraph. Make sure you preview this. You may even wish to print this out on a separate page, blank paper before the label stock, to make sure everything is fine and dandy. That is the end of the merge. You click on the next step. It completes the merge. And then I could click on print. I could edit each individual label if I need to. I suggest everything be edited and proofread beforehand. Good luck with your holiday merges.